Hi everyone, my name is Masi. Today I want to talk about a lesson I want to teach to students in Cat A who are with learning disability, with emotional disability, with ADHD and physical disability. My lesson goal is to teach them compare and contrast writing in 3 pages. One about one object, the other page about the other object because they are comparing two objects together, and the third page is gonna be the differences and the similarities between them. The the what I use in the classroom is Google Docs. Most of the teachers they are comfortable to use Google Docs because their share button helps them with sharing with the students, and it automatically saves, and also it saves every activity they do when they do it as a team, and one students argue about and the other students work, they can go back and fix these problems. And the environment I think using to this tool to students with learning disability needs an environment like a small classroom that is away from distractions, especially for students with ADHD and emotional disability. It's good to learn it in a small group. And the task they are going to do is the first page. This teacher will walk through the students, and the second and third pages will be done by students, but with the as a team. And the second page teacher will supervise them and observe and help them, support them. The third pages can be done by them as a assessment to see how they have done it. And the teacher can give them a small example. For example, compare two things like apple and pear, and write a small paragraph like 4 or 5 sentences to show how this writing works. And the Google Docs, the 80 tools I'm using is Google Docs, is computer as high technology, and the Google program software as high technology, and also the program read and write program, which is so good and helpful for students with different disabilities, is very helpful. And headphone, which as a mid technology, which is helpful for students who they need to listen to the readings, especially over here when they want to edit their revise their writing. It's good to hear, listen, and then edit. After they listen, they will find their mistakes and they can edit it easily. And also they can have their papers, pencils, and as low technology. There are some students they need the spacer because the writing is not organized. That's low technology. Some students they need magnifier because of their visual problems, and that's the hand magnifier is the low technology. If they use the Windows magnifier or Docs magnifier, that's the high tech high technology. And this in this assignment helps the student to learn how to write a short essay, compare and contrast essay. Most of my students in 5th grade last year, they had gap project which they needed to write about social study like Greek and Roman goddess, and we use this graphic organizer and this method of writing to teach them how to compare and contrast some events in their social study, like Roman and Greek gods. And they love to find the pictures and insert them in their writing with the help of Google Docs. Thank you everyone for watching me. I appreciate it.